Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to fix could not set up Apple Pay Cash on iPhone and get it working again. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Enable airplane mode from the control center and wait about 10 to 20 seconds. Step 2. Now, turn off airplane mode and let your phone reconnect to the network. Step 3. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see which one works better for your Apple Pay setup. Method 2. Step 1. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Step 3. Next, select Media and Purchases from the menu. Step 4. Tap on View Account to open your Apple account settings. Step 5. Choose Manage Payments from the list of options. Step 6. Scroll down and tap Billing Address to view your current details. Step 7. Double-check all your information, and if needed, remove and re-enter your full address accurately. Method 3. Step 1. Open Settings and scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay. Step 2. Tap on it and make sure Apple Cash is turned on. Step 3. If it's off, toggle it on to activate the feature. Step 4. Check that you've added a valid debit card to your wallet. Step 5. If not, tap on the card section and follow the instructions to set up Apple Cash. Method 4. Step 1. Open your Settings app again. Step 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Sign Out from the bottom. Step 4. Now, sign back in with your Apple ID and try setting up Apple Pay again. Method 5. Step 1. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap General and scroll down. Step 3. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone at the very bottom. Step 4. Select Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. Step 5. Confirm your passcode, and this will reset your system settings without deleting your data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.